The Spruce Best Home Chalky Finish Paint. See the collection. Himalayan salt is a shaded medium pink that's as soothing as the lamps its color resembles. It's a stunning color that fits in a nursery or powder room, as it's feminine, yet versatile. Heartwarming is a warm burgundy red that wraps you up like a winter blanket or warms you like a crackling fire. Use it in a living room or as an accent in any room. Skydive blue is a shaded baby blue that's ideal for a bathroom, nursery, or home office. Any room drenched in this color will make you feel as if the wide open sky is right in your home. Casual Sophistication is a dark yet muted navy blue. It's the perfect bold color when you want to move past quiet neutral hues and explore a shade reminiscent of post-sunset skies. White bead board is a cool and crisp white that elicits the thought of bobbing boats and white sand beaches. It works like a charm on baseboard, trim, and interior doors. Light ash is a light silver with a slight green undertone reminiscent of the soft ash leftover from orange embers in a campfire. Use it on furniture to brighten your space and help make a small room look larger. Grayed out is a medium gray. It alludes to the mystery of a foggy morning or an overcast day and suits a bathroom or living room quite well. Elevated black is a deep black with a subtle navy undertone. It's the sophistication of a black tie affair poured into a paint can, and it's stunning when used on an accent wall or pieces of DIY furniture. Coral lava is a softened medium orange that's perfect for creating poppy, jubilant accents in your home. The sweet memories of sneaking fingerfuls of frosting from mom's cake and running little lemonade stands can be found in the golden yellow of lemon cream. A baby's nursery and a kitchen are fitting spots for this hue. Warm linen's creamy white strays far from cooler, sterile whites thanks to its warm undertone. Use it in a minimalist bedroom or modern nursery for an accent that's evocative of being wrapped in a warm, sun-drenched blanket. If you need a blast from the past, Retro Vibes' medium lime green will bring you just that. Use it on backyard accent pieces or in a child's bathroom to take it back to the days of groovy guitar riffs and VW vans. Thrift Finds is a light glowing emerald, similar in color to the bold turquoise stones and wide open skies found in the Southwest. Use it for accent pieces or to enliven a guest bathroom. Puddle Splash is a dusty blue with a green undertone. Incorporating it in any room will remind you of splashing around on rainy days. Focal Point is a medium green aqua with a blue undertone. It will transport you back to your favorite trip where you witnessed the bluest lagoons, flashiest fish, and the most vibrant marketplaces. Use it in a bathroom or art room. Deep Pool is a medium rich teal that's as invigorating as the first summer swim. You'll feel refreshed every time you enter the kitchen, bonus room, or sunroom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.